I'm like, hey y'all, but I don't even know if we're starting now. Are we all set? Are we ready to go?
Are we all right?
No,
we
we're
are
all
right. We're ready.
So please, first, before we start, I just want for people to make some noise for the House of Giggles. They really put some effort in organizing this whole thing. And also special shout out to Father Giggles, Angelino, and Princess Giggles. So now, without further ado, we're going to start with LSS.
What?
So, DJ, pump a fucking beat.
You don't know what LSS is?
Do you know what LSS is? You know what LSS is. I'm gonna call to the stage, starting with moving out the
You know who the fuck you is. Stand up. I wanna see. I wanna see this thing. Hey, hey, let's go to the hey, hey, let's go to the okay, let's see what you're running. Oh, wait, you look. Oh, never mind.
Okay. From house, Jeff Kid, I want to see the white.
Give it up for the new prince, Fly Ananya.
have one more person. Oh, I think we have two more people. We have Yori, Soli, the DJ. Yori, after Ori. Yori, Ali, Yori is the IC. Yori, Soli, Yori is the IC. Yori, Yori, okay, that was real cute. Everybody, right? If you have an understand version of your hand, No, let's not do this. Let's actually get down to business. I think we have enough time. I think one person doesn't want to work. Is that understand? I think no. Do they? Do you? Okay. Okay. So let's get on to business. So sorry. But before we start, we wanna. I think some people wanna say something before we start.
Yes, so I think Emma wants to say something on the mic. Emma.
So please sit down.
Hi everybody. Let me just get my notes. Yes, so we just wanted to take a second to address the fact that last week we lost a sister from CASA. This is a trans woman of color who was a part of the CASA ballroom scene, and sadly took her life last week. I never met her, but I've heard so many lovely things about the people from the people that did. We wanted to take, as a team, a second to kind of remind everybody that how crucial it is that we listen to and protect Black, brown, and women of color, specifically trans women of color in our scene. You know, they are the guardians and the pioneers of our culture. And unfortunately, time and time again, they end up bearing the brunt of the worst parts of us. And it has to end. We need to be more gentle with our girls, and we need to be more protective of our girls in the scene in general. And I hope that that's something that is taken very seriously by everybody in this room. There's so many girls within our scene here in Berlin that have things like GoFundMe's going on, that are trying do ask for help and reaching out for help and not getting that help, please support those GoFundMes. You please listen to and amplify the voices of trans people in, and specifically trans women in our scene. We're going to be sharing them, all of the GoFundMes that we kind of have in our heads on our stories as the peer. Please, if there's I'd ask all of the girls to send us links in case we forget somebody to make sure that we don't forget anybody. I also want to say it's just really important that we're gentle with ourselves and each other right now, especially after such a big loss. And it's especially important that we look out for people that knew Aviva personally. If you know someone who's personally and directly affected by this, then please ask how they're doing, ask if they need anything. You could offer to cook something for them, you could offer to run an errand, you could just offer them a space to be heard. Make sure that you're holding each other and listening to each other. And then also, I just want to say that if anybody is in a mental health crisis and experiencing mental health crisis, please let us know and please talk to each other about that. We as the team have various different resources that we have access to and are able to help with, and we ask that, please let us know. We're only as strong as our most marginalized, and so it's really important that we make sure that we're giving and pouring as much energy into the most marginalized among us. So be kind to each other and be careful with each other right now. It's a really difficult time. Would you like to say something?
Sorry, I didn't prepare anything. I just wanna, I'm still in shock. I actually just met her earlier this year at a Campo Kiki, and we grew really close really quickly. We would take the train together to Frankfurt to try to get to sessions, but we didn't ask in advance, so we always got there with nothing to do because we didn't have sessions. She was really wonderful. She was a great friend, and she was so fierce, and I just want to honor her name and her contribution to the German ballroom scene. And she was so loved. I love her so much. And she's here with us in spirit, I believe. And thank you.
Thank you. To every BIPOC trans woman in our scene, we love you, and we're sorry that things are so hard, and we're here to hold you as much as we can. We'd like to do just a minute of silence, and then we will continue. So I'll ask everybody take a second to think about Aviva, to think about, if you didn't know her personally, to think about the other BIPOC trans women in your life and what they might need and how you could be doing a better job of protecting and supporting them. Okay, thank you for this moment. It's been And then also, thank you everyone that showed up, because also Public Ballroom is also showing up here and representing all the people that came before us, and she's going to stay, even if she passed away, she's still going to be with us tonight, and we're all here to celebrate her and to honor her through our performance and showing up. So it's also really important that we are all here today, and that we get also to have a good moment together and still being high-spirited for her and for all the other trans Black women that were here before us. So we can keep the thing going, and yes, let's continue this.